Hey, what's up? So, yeah, you read the title of this video, right? I did crash the R3, and I fucked up. But I'm recording this video after the fact, about almost 3 weeks after this happened, and I was kind of debating whether or not I actually wanted to upload this video or not, but I am, because it's some shit that happened with the car, and, oh, whatever. Plus, if you follow me on my Instagram or my Facebook, you'll already know that this happened. But I wanted to upload this video to kind of show the full story about how it happened, what led up to it, and stuff like that. And also, the car is perfectly fine. I've been daily driving the car since the Tuesday after this happened. Yeah, it took me from Saturday night to Tuesday morning to get all the parts replaced and get the car roadworthy again. And it's been running and driving perfectly fine, not a single issue at all. Everybody that was in the car, my daughter who was sleeping in the back, and my friend who was in the passenger seat, perfectly fine. Nobody was injured at all. We're all good. The car's good, and well, everything's good. This video series is going to be a two-part series. This one being just me showing the crash scene and explaining everything that led up to it, getting it on the trailer, getting it off the trailer, and then just going over the damage. And then the next video will be repairing the car and getting it to the state. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop blabbing now. Just get on to the rest of the video. Okay, so I fucked up. I've been back like not even a day, or maybe at least one whole day, and yeah, I'm stuck on the side of the road. Now, in my defense, I'll tell you in a little bit, but this wheel is destroyed. Luckily, this is a wheel I didn't care about. This was going away anyway. There's part of one of my control arms, one of the upper lowers, and damage is pretty bad. Both upper lowers are destroyed. I think the brake line might have gotten destroyed too, I don't know. Steering rack looks like it's pretty fucked. I mean, I have everything to fix this, so that's not an issue. But yeah, the whole car itself is good. Not leaking any fluids. It's running right now. It's perfect. But all right. So here's what happened. Ow! God.
Yeah, these heads are everywhere. What's that here?
Stepped on some shit. Okay, so I didn't know that this roundabout was here. This over here is I-15, getting on the highway. On-ramp is right there. Yep, there's a car getting on the on-ramp. I thought I was getting on to the highway, getting on that on-ramp. No, I was getting on here. Apparently this has only been here a few months from what Dominic told me.
It's like 2 months. It's like freshly brand new. They don't even have the
I've been in Texas for the last 4 months. So I had no idea that this was all here. So I was getting on here as if I was getting on the highway. So I got up to like 40, 45, maybe 50 miles an hour. And then right about here, I don't know if you can see these skid marks. I thought that car was coming this way. So skid marks start about, oh, that's not me. This is me. Here I am. All here. All the way. Let's see, and over here.
This is where you kind of sense it. A little sideways action.
Yeah. So, wait. I got point of impacts over here somewhere.
I think your rear wheel hit first. It might have. Because
Yeah,
I think you might have went sideways into it and then hit.
That would make sense because, yeah. Okay, so point of impact is here. I believe this is my rear wheel.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, control arms are just busted. Okay, so point of impact's right here. I'm guessing this would be my rear wheel. And then my car went sideways again. And then over here is where the front wheel hit.
There's the pole you dodged.
Oh, okay, there's a pole there. And then came all the way over here. I'm guessing I rid the curb the whole way up.
And well, here we are.
I do remember you got off the curb. Yeah, I can start here.
Oh yeah, there's tire marks going off of here. So I don't know how much I rid the curb, but I think the wheel was sideways at this point.
It sounds like you have an exhaust leak.
I have a full exhaust in the other car. That's fine.
And then luckily you didn't like go too far and lose tube control, because you would have
Yeah, there's a big old ditch down here.
a canal.
A canal. There's water there. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Also, I believe that this R3 wheel is bad now, so I think I'm
I
just
heard leaking air. It was making a little squeaky sound.
yeah. So here's where I hit on the R3 wheel, and looking down, it does look like it's bent. And of course, this wheel's fucked. There's a big old chunk missing out of it, but this is just a stock Series 2 RX-8 wheel, so I don't care about it.
Yeah.
So from here, I called my insurance. I guess some things with my policy aren't 100% in order yet for this car, so they recommended that I call the cops. They're gonna bring a tow truck out here, which they're doing that now, and see once everything gets sorted with insurance, which will be tomorrow. Give them a call. They'll release it from their yard or whatever, get this towed to my house, and then get the parts off the other RX-8 and get them on here. Luckily, everything suspension wise on the other car is Series 2 stuff, so it's Series 2 going on Series 2, so I ain't got to worry about that. But anyway, that is basically what happened. I'm also going to be filing, what did I file with the city?
Probably some sort of safety thing. Some safety for road. They have signs, but it's not highlighted. It's still dark.
Yeah.
They illuminate the highway. They don't illuminate this direction.
And just to emphasize, there are no streetlights at all.
Watch out! Here comes an unreliable car.
There's a speed limit sign, 30 miles an hour over there, but there's nothing over here. Damn Subarus. But yeah, so I got to file some sort of complaint with the city, and get this all sorted out.
And there's girlfriend.
Yep. All right, that's it. That's all that happened. Otherwise, the car's good. Okay, so we're getting it on the tow truck now. So when he was first pulling it up, because the front wheel is literally just floating, it was starting to go forward and take the bumper off. So I pulled part of the bumper out, and what he's doing is he's backing his truck up with the other wheel chocked, and then I guess we're gonna try and get the front wheels as close to the bed as possible. I don't know. It made more sense when he said it, but yeah, we're gonna get this.
I've got to be able to get the back of my truck up, still be able where I can't back up. So that's kind of trying to figure this out. As I get closer to, as I'm backing up, eventually it's going to touch the bottom of your. I've got to clear my feet in order to back up any further. You got to keep your car up.
Yeah. But anyway, we're gonna get this towed over to my house, and just pull the parts off tomorrow from the car in storage, and then it's starting to go forward. Just hold up a little longer R3 bumper that I'm hoping to sell soon. But yeah, there it is. But yeah, gonna pull parts I need off of the other car. I think there might be some damage to the either the rear shock or one of the rear control arms on this wheel, because obviously it's slammed. Yeah, I'm not about that slam life. So I hate when things happen. it looks like it's for the most part working.
Still gonna. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get it. We may still have to drag it a little bit, and I don't. That's gonna.
You have a little bit of room to drag if necessary.
Well, I just worry the only way that we're gonna be able to do it is to drag it from probably close to there, because I can't get any further back without now my bed gonna start. The way that it's on this hillside, I can't back up any further. Now I'm dragging on the bottom of my truck, so it's gonna drag and it's gonna pull the bumper with it when I try to drag it.
Well,
I don't know if we can get it any better than that.
at this point, just do whatever you gotta do.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna. He's turning the wheel. It's adding camber to it.
Oh yeah, about that stencil I feel.
That's the look everybody wants now.
That's what all the
Car-
kids are doing these days anyway.
Yeah, the cars don't need to be functional anyway.
Yeah, because I think I'm still gonna have to drag it from there, because I can't get any closer with this way that this road sits.
Eep.
As soon as those front tires get on the bed a little bit, you can at least.
Yeah, I just
pick
worry
up
that
the back
it's gonna
end.
that front bumper if
Well,
you.
I don't think there's any way to avoid it with the
No, I-
low to the ground.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I think that brake line is gone.
Will it keep it from catching so bad as I pull it? Because
The bumper.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Try lifting up the bumper and see if you can might be able to give him a little bit of like a little
yeah,
bit of drag.
You're good.
I'm dragging the whole bumper right now, and I don't want it to rip it all the way off, but it's gonna be close.
Eep.
I've got to go like another 4 inches on the other side before I can lift your car up.
I don't like these noises.
That's bad.
Yeah, the only tricky part about these both the front bumpers is they have oil coolers built into them factory.
Oh yeah.
So if the front bumper comes off, it might rip the oil coolers out.
Yeah, that's why I obviously don't want it to come
Well,
off.
that other front wheel's on almost all the way, just so you know.
See, I still can't. I gotta get that front wheel
Yeah.
barely on, then I can lift the whole car off the ground.
Yeah.
Almost there.
There you go.
Is that bumper touching the ground in the middle anymore?
Nope, clear.
You want to kind of hold that bumper because it's going to catch my bed too, but I just don't want to rip that bumper off. But unfortunately, that wheel's
Well,
going to.
I think that tire is gonna break off anyways, because
Yeah,
there's nothing
it's just
holding
hanging
it
from
in
your
place.
strut, you know.
A-arms are broken.
And that's the.
When you roll it back, there's nothing that's gonna keep it, allow it to spin.
Let me hook a strap around it, see if I can ratchet and pull it on, so it's not gonna. Because right now, yeah, like.
It's like when you don't have any A-arms to hold your wheel, it's to stop rolling.
It's like when he's most comfortable driving suspension. There's no suspension at all. The one that flows that air suspension.
If we can pull this wheel away from that.
It's gotta be a good spirit about it.
I think this can be its own YouTube video.
No,
You like how
Daddy,
you
no.
literally slammed the rear though?
Oh yeah.
Slammed it.
Get slammed in.
Yeah.
Yeah, just look at that tuck. What did happen back here?
It's called fitment
Oh, okay. Things did get damaged.
Is it bad?
I think it might just be the sway bar. See that end link? Well, I think maybe just the end link.
Or maybe the strut popped out of place or something.
Who knows?
The end link's
Oh,
supposed to
wait,
be straight.
wait,
This
what's
is
that?
the end link on that is like. it goes
Oh,
up
okay.
and up
I was
and
looking at my
upside down.
phone. I don't see anything else wrong here except for that.
Yeah.
But of course I'll need to take the wheel off to find out.
Hey, welcome back to Utah.
What?
Welcome back to Utah.
Yep. This is exactly what I needed.
See, you're fine owning an RX-8 in El Paso,
Just not you.
but yeah, the moment you bring it to Utah, like any RX-8 you own will have issues.
Yep. Pretty much.
When they have issues, nobody wants to work on them either.
We're
At
all
least the
road
motor
rage
side of it.
It's true.
Nobody,
Yeah, you gotta be your own mechanic
I was
with
gonna
the
say,
rotary.
nobody wants to touch a rotary. Let's see with it taking a little bit of stress off, maybe now it's on. Let's see if it'll roll now. I just wanted to get it off that bind to see if it would keep it from pinning that front bumper. Now that it's over that hump, it might
I'm sure that
it might try to roll.
Is that under tray? Oh no, that's just the fender liner stuff.
That came off, kind of popped the oil out.
Let's see if it will.
That's why what the Z's have too.
Yeah, exactly.
Doesn't look like it's leaking anything though.
Is that better than it was? It's not.
It's behind it
It's almost into
again.
the bumper again. I can
I will
that
ratchet
strap.
again if you can.
ratchet again. I just have to keep pulling away from that thing if we can.
Like we got it up.
You got a floor jack at your house? Might make it easier to get off without. Because now when we lower it this way, the wheel's going to smash into the fender this way until.
Better the fender than the oil.
Well, I'm just trying to make it so you don't have body damage to worry about.
Well,
Obviously,
the fender's
bumper.
probably more to replace than the oil cooler. The oil
Yeah.
coolers I can get all day long.
I don't know, I just sold a whole RX-8 that had $1,000 for the whole car
Yeah, you can buy them cheap all day long.
because it had a motor issue and nobody wanted to.
Nobody wants to touch it.
And this one perfectly running, driving, no issues at all. $4,000 from the dealer.
Yeah.
Got it torn apart when I remember up, man.
Yeah.
He is too. He's got like 5.
Okay, well, this is a long video. Alright, so we're back at my house and we're gonna do what we can to get this in the driveway without fucking anything up. Well, at least the fenders in the front end, or bumper. Why do things just have to happen? Alright, well, I'm gonna get this down.